We will simplify the expression 2 to the 22 times 3 to the 33 step by step with quick visual grouping, so every move is obvious. Step 1. Write the original expression. Step 2. Notice the exponents 22 and 33. They share a common factor of 11. Step 3. Rewrite each as a power of a power using the rule, open parenthesis, a to the m close parenthesis to the n equals a to the m n. 2 to the 22 becomes open parenthesis 2 squared close parenthesis to the 11. And 3 to the 33 becomes open parenthesis 3 cubed close parenthesis to the 11. Step 4. Evaluate the small inside powers. 2 squared equals 4, and 3 cubed equals 27. Step 5. Both factors are raised to the 11th power, so multiply the bases first and keep the common exponent 11. That gives open parenthesis 4 times 27 close parenthesis to the 11. Step 6. Compute the base product. 4 times 27 equals 108. Step 7. Write the compact final form. Open parenthesis 108 close parenthesis to the 11. This is the simplified expression. Recap in one line. 2 to the 22 times 3 to the 33 equals 108 to the 11.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.